beautiful morning in Amed. Waves are a little bit too, I don't know, it's a little bit big waves. It's haven't been really rainy or windy, but it's a little bit wavy today. And today I'm gonna do 2 dives, one Boga rack and another one drop off. Like it kind of became usual dive sites for me. I've been doing them pretty a lot in the last couple of months. I love that site. It's, I don't know what to say else. It's like, I just simply like it. And people watching videos and they also want to dive there, I will bring them there. See you later. 2 dives done. So I decided to use my new pole and do it from a little bit more distance. It's actually still like a little bit interesting for me how it will look like. At the Boga wreck there was really good visibility. Drop off, not so. A little bit murky. Pretty murky actually, but what actually saved all the situation was a bumphead parrotfish, which was really close to us. Was swimming around, and same like last time I got the sharks, this time I got the bumphead parrotfish, which didn't swim away, was eating, and he don't cares about us at all. Beautiful sights. Guys was super happy. It was I dove with them a month ago in Chandidasa, and yeah, was really cool to dive with them again. When you cannot surprise anyone with a new dive sites, then you surprise everyone with a new filming ways, filming tools, and make the things look different. And that's basically what I did during these 2 dives. I just tried to show you everything from the different perspective. When you move it backwards, then it's easier because you're swimming towards, and that it means that it's easy to move the hand. But when you have to move it back, it takes a lot of effort actually, because this long pole works like a paddle. Everything looks a little bit more distant, and it gives you the chance to see also surroundings, not only exactly what I'm showing you, but also a little bit from the distance. It works great in the mountains, and it works also great underwater. That's what I see when I'm editing these videos. It was really interesting. I'm happy that I bought it, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use it more and more in my videos. I have to learn a lot of new tricks using it, but it looked really interesting for myself. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.